The Geo Pro is the model that I had in my mind when I was starting my mini camper. I had an old landscape trailer. That would be the base and the frame of my mini camper. It's a Snowbird 2008. It's a 5 by 10. My trailer is going to be 5 by 8. You can see I do have insulation foam in the floor. So I did put plywood on and then a finish layer which was stained and waterproofed. The bottom side is waterproofed. I got the can from Home Depot. It was on the extras or clearance area. The 1/4 inch plywood was from Lowe's. I got it on clearance for $17.50, which was a great deal. You can see this is the start of putting together the walls. The front does have a bow to it, and the back will be square. You can see the walls being put together there. I did use a 1/4 inch plywood on the exterior and interior, and 2 by 2 framing for the most part. That was the first time I did put it onto the trailer itself. So you do see in the front there's a shelf of 2 feet for storage or whatever we want to add on. I plan on having 2 smaller windows on each side and then a larger window. I did find those on Facebook Marketplace. They're new old stock, so they were brand new windows. They were just in somebody's yard, so I picked them up for pretty cheap. The goal of the build was to build a nice mini camper for reasonably cost. That was the waterproofing. It's a duck coat. I purchased it from Menards. It was from $50 to $60, and it was a gallon. So I used about 3 gallons on the trailer and the roof total. There's the inside coming together. That's with the rubber coating throughout. I do have it as a toy hauler setup, so we could put an ATV in the back. So the back door just swing up. There's the windows being put in. There's foam throughout, so it's insulated. We did go out in the winter, and we just had a space heater, and it was really good. So it is insulated throughout. I was looking to buy a door, but I ended up making my own just because I couldn't find anything reasonably priced on Facebook Marketplace or any other marketplace. You could see before the plywood is put in the interior, I did use great stuff to fill in all the cracks from the foam. There's the door, and it's all waterproof there. I did go with a vinyl coating, like a car wrap. I'm having problems with it sticking, so I probably wouldn't do that again. But ultimately, it's turned out okay. But I'd probably try to do something different with aluminum outside if I had to do it again. These are the moldings that I used for around the trailer. They were $7 for a 12-foot piece, and I just painted them black. So it worked out really good. The decals I just got from Amazon. I did put diamond plate rubber on the bottom of the door and the front. The back door I just put swing up with just pipe to hold it open. I was trying to get it to go up with a shock absorber, but I just couldn't. This is the electrical I use. It's just a plug-in with 2 outlets in the trailer. So that worked out good for what I'm using it for. I did build a shelf in the front and kind of put some trim in the inside. There's the piece that I have for the TV that I have in there, and it charges phones up with USB. I chose to put just a front shelf with a couple storage areas, and I did choose to put a fireplace in the front for heat. So it's an LED fireplace. This is from our first trip. This was in the winter, so it was about 20 degrees out, and it worked out really good with just a space heater. It was a lot of fun. You can see the decals and the finished work here. It really turned out good. I was between $15 and $2,000 for the trailer. It's for the actual mini camper itself. That doesn't include the frame, of course. And there's my Jeep that I kind of matched it to. There's the fireplace on with the doors installed just for storage on each side. So it really worked out good. It was such a fun project. If you're looking to build one, I would strongly recommend it. Have a good time. They're easy to park in the garage. It's a lot of fun. It's a great project. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to the channel.